Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's January 30th, 2023, and we are starting to connect the temporary electricity in the containers. Então, galera, a gente vai conectar a energia, a eletricidade temporária nos containers. Aqui é janeiro, dia 23 de 2023. Bora! Let's see if they have material there. Seems that Atlantic Industries, it was called Centerline company. Ah, nice. Hopeful. That's awesome. That is fucking awesome. So, it's nice. Christine, the person that was really nice, she put in like a form with the measurements, and soon you will receive that information. Over the phone was a little bit more complicated. I was not able to get much information. I've been trying to talk to them for over 2 months, but in person it worked pretty well, and they told me they can give me a quote this week.